What's in that box for you? Trina. Is she helping you? What is in there? Trina, go. What is that, Logan? What is that? Elmo. Push it? Is he push it? Where's Elmo's nose? Uh-huh. Where's his nose?
Mouth.
Yes. What else is in your box? Are those pumpkin pants? You want to put them on? Okay, when we change your diaper, we'll put them on. What else is in there? There's something else in the box for you. Can you get it? What is that? Can you open it? What do you think about that? Can you flip the page? Turn the page. Do you need some help? Be gentle with it. Here, next. What is that? Can you flip the page again? Flip it down. Be careful. Oh, is that a witch? Woo! Open it again.